Good morning to all of Father God, beautiful people. It's the next beautiful day to give Father God thanks and praise for. And thank Him for health and strength. Bless and keep all our brothers and sisters, friends and family. Yeah, and I'm saying that to all my Jamaican pastors. Install back those bells on the church. To all Jamaican school, put back that bell in the school. Ring it. Use it back 7 o'clock in the morning. The evil one cannot take the sound and the vibration of the bell. Put it back in school. Put it back on the church. Spiritual warfare is real, guys. Our whole country is turning upside down. It's to all the pastors, the principal. Get the bell back. Ring it in the morning. That is just a message. Blessed. Have a glorious day. God be with you guys. Always. One people, one heart. I'm out.